Technology is moving so fast right now, most people have no idea these gadgets already exist. These aren't gimmicks or futuristic concepts hiding in labs anymore. They're real tech gadgets transforming daily life with features so smart, addictive, and surprisingly useful, they honestly feel years ahead of normal technology available today. From AI-powered devices to futuristic tools that solve problems people deal with every single day, a few of these gadgets are so good, they instantly make ordinary tech feel outdated. And one device in this video feels so unbelievably futuristic, it almost shouldn't be available yet. All gadgets are listed in the description below. Number 1. The best memories usually happen when nobody has time to pull out a huge camera setup. Meet the Insta360 Go 3S Retro Bundle, a tiny futuristic camera that blends ultra-portable creativity with a nostalgic vintage twist people instantly fall in love with. Because most cameras are either too bulky to carry everywhere or too limited to truly capture life the way it actually feels in the moment, the Go 3S changes that beautifully. Its tiny, lightweight design makes spontaneous filming feel effortless, while the retro-inspired style adds a cinematic personality that makes everyday moments feel more emotional and visually memorable. Travel feels more immersive, daily life feels more cinematic, and capturing memories suddenly becomes fun again instead of feeling like complicated content creation. That's what makes this gadget feel so crazy and so good at the same time. It turns ordinary moments into stylish cinematic memories from a camera small enough to disappear into your pocket. Number 2. Smartphones became more powerful over the years, but somehow typing on them started feeling worse and less satisfying. Introducing the Unihertz Titan II Elite, a 5G keyboard phone designed for people who miss the speed, precision, and real tactile feeling of physical typing. Because touchscreen keyboards constantly create frustration, mistyped words, endless corrections, and the strange feeling that modern phones became less productive even while getting smarter, the Titan II Elite changes that instantly. Its physical keyboard brings back a faster, more focused typing experience while combining it with the power and connectivity expected from a modern 5G smartphone. Emails feel smoother, messaging feels more satisfying, even work productivity starts feeling sharper because the phone feels intentionally designed instead of purely screen-focused. And honestly, that retro-futuristic experience is what makes this gadget feel so crazy and so addictive at the same time. It combines old-school typing satisfaction with modern smartphone power in a way almost nobody expected to return. Number 3. Power outages don't just turn the lights off, they quietly destroy comfort, food, routines, and peace of mind within hours. Meet the BLUETTI FridgePower, a smart, portable backup power solution designed to keep your refrigerator running when everything else suddenly stops. Because losing power instantly creates stress. Food starts warming up, groceries go to waste, and families are left hoping electricity returns before everything inside the fridge is ruined. FridgePower changes that feeling completely. It delivers reliable backup energy that keeps refrigeration running smoothly during outages, emergencies, travel, or off-grid living situations where dependable power matters most. And honestly, that security feels incredibly valuable once you experience it. The kitchen stays functional, essential food stays protected, and sudden blackouts stop feeling like total chaos taking over your home. That's what makes this gadget feel so crazy and so useful right now. It transforms emergency power from a stressful problem into something quietly handled in the background before disaster even starts. Number 4. Carrying too many gadgets every day slowly becomes exhausting. Smartwatch on the wrist, earbuds in the pocket, chargers everywhere, and still somehow something is always missing. Introducing the PENOX, a rugged 2-in-1 smartwatch with ENC earbuds hidden inside, built for people who want smarter tech without carrying extra clutter everywhere. Because modern life moves fast, calls happen unexpectedly, workouts start suddenly, travel gets chaotic, and switching between multiple devices constantly breaks focus and convenience. PENOX solves that in a surprisingly clever way. The earbud stays seamlessly built into the watch itself, creating a futuristic all-in-one experience that feels compact, practical, and genuinely satisfying to use every single day. Whether you're training, traveling, taking calls, or just moving through busy routines, everything feels cleaner and more effortless. And honestly, that's what makes this gadget feel so crazy right now. It combines two essential devices into one rugged, futuristic system that actually makes everyday life simpler instead of more complicated. Number 5. Nobody dreams about owning a pool just to spend weekends cleaning leaves, dirt, and debris under the burning sun. Meet the SPINO S1 Pro, a self-docking, cordless robotic pool cleaner designed to make pool maintenance feel almost completely effortless. Because traditional pool cleaning is exhausting. Tangled cords, manual scribbing, wasted time, and the constant frustration of a pool looking dirty again only days later. The SPINO S1 Pro changes that experience beautifully. It moves intelligently through the water, cleaning automatically while its self-docking system removes the annoying hassle people normally deal with after every cleaning cycle. And the feeling it creates is honestly luxurious. You walk outside and the pool simply looks ready. Clean water, cleaner atmosphere, less stress, less maintenance stealing time from your actual life. That's what makes this gadget feel so crazy and genuinely worth having right now. It turns one of the most frustrating home maintenance jobs into something your pool quietly handles on its own. Number 6. Most photos stay trapped inside phones forever, forgotten between thousands of screenshots, videos, and endless digital clutter. Introducing the Liene PixCut S1, a futuristic photo sticker printer and cutter that turns everyday memories into real physical creativity within seconds. Because people miss the feeling of holding memories, decorating spaces, and creating something personal instead of endlessly scrolling through galleries they rarely revisit. The PixCut S1 changes that beautifully. It instantly transforms photos into customized stickers with clean precision, making creativity feel fast, fun, and surprisingly addictive for everyday use. Journals feel more personal, gifts feel more meaningful, even simple moments suddenly become something you can physically keep, share, and experience beyond the screen. And honestly, that emotional connection is what makes this gadget feel so special right now. It turns digital memories into real-world creativity people can actually touch, display, and enjoy every single day. Number 7. People protect their homes, money, and personal data every single day, yet most digital security still feels confusing, outdated, and dangerously easy to compromise. Meet MiixKey, the world's first security key with a touchscreen designed to make digital protection feel smarter, safer, and surprisingly futuristic. Because passwords alone are no longer enough. Accounts get hacked, codes get stolen, and one small mistake online can suddenly expose an entire digital life. MiixKey changes that experience completely. Its touchscreen interface adds a more intelligent and controlled layer of security, creating a protection system that feels modern, personal, and far more advanced than traditional authentication tools. And honestly, that peace of mind feels powerful once you realize how much of life now exists online. Banking, work, private files, personal identity, everything becomes more secure without feeling overly technical or complicated. That's what makes this gadget feel so crazy and genuinely valuable right now. It transforms cybersecurity from something stressful and invisible into something people can actually trust and control directly in their hands. Number 8. The future of work is no longer tied to offices, desks, or even laptops. It's becoming portable, intelligent, and always within reach. Introducing Rorolee, a pocket-sized AI agent and mobile workstation designed to help people work smarter from virtually anywhere. Because modern life moves too fast for bulky setups and constant multitasking chaos, emails, meetings, ideas, planning, and productivity now follow people everywhere, but most devices still feel limiting and disconnected. Rorolee changes that beautifully. It combines AI-powered assistance with portable productivity in a way that feels smooth, futuristic, and surprisingly freeing during everyday work and travel. Tasks feel more organized, workflow feels lighter, and suddenly your workspace isn't a location anymore. It moves with you effortlessly. That's what makes this gadget feel so crazy and so relevant right now. It transforms AI from something sitting inside apps into a real intelligent companion designed to support how humans actually live and work every day. Number 9. Gaming setups used to demand massive towers, loud fans, and desks completely consumed by hardware. Meet the ROG NUC16, a futuristic gaming mini-PC proving that insane performance no longer needs a giant machine dominating your entire space. Because gamers and creators want power, but they also want cleaner setups, portability, and technology that actually fits modern lifestyles without sacrificing performance. The ROG NUC16 changes that completely. It packs serious gaming energy into a compact design that feels sleek, premium, and incredibly advanced the moment it powers on. Games feel smoother, workspaces feel cleaner, and the entire experience carries this powerful futuristic energy that makes traditional bulky PCs suddenly feel outdated. That's what makes this gadget feel so crazy right now. It transforms high-end gaming power into something small enough to fit almost anywhere, while still feeling built for the future. Number 10. Modern cars became smarter than ever, yet drivers still keep looking away from the road to check important information. Introducing NeuroHUD, the futuristic heads-up display many drivers wish their Tesla already had built in from the start. Because driving should feel immersive and safe, not distracting. Constantly glancing at screens for speed, navigation, and alerts quietly break focus during the moments attention matters most. NeuroHUD changes that experience instantly. It projects critical driving information directly in your line of sight, creating a cleaner, more connected driving experience that feels straight out of a sci-fi movie. The road feels more immersive, the cockpit feels more advanced, and suddenly, driving carries this smooth, futuristic energy that makes traditional dashboards feel outdated overnight. That's what makes this gadget feel so crazy right now. It transforms everyday driving into something that feels closer to piloting the future itself. Thanks for watching TechQubix. Subscribe for more future tech.